Good morning, guys. Happy Easter. So I had a couple of you ask about how to use your self-timer. So I wanted to get this up for you today so that you can maybe take a family photo since it is Easter. So it's actually really simple to use. It was harder for me to figure out how to use my tripod than it was to figure out the self-timer. So I'm using a Nikon. It's a D750, but I think most of them are the same. So I'm going to turn on my camera. You go to menu. You're going to tab over to your custom, where is it? Here we go, custom settings menu, which is the pencil icon. You're going to go down to timers and AE lock, and then down to C3, which is self timer. So once you go into self timer, you're going to set the delay. I like to have it on 20 seconds, especially if you're doing families. It gives you enough time to get into the pose. You can set the number of shots anywhere from 1 to 9. I like it on 3. And then the interval between the shots, you can do anywhere from 1 to 3 seconds. Again, let's put it on 3 if we're shooting families. So that's it. You set it up like that. And then you can just leave it set. And then the last thing you need to do to make it work is, I have my camera set on single shot. Let's see if I can do this. I think I need 2 hands for this. But you actually have to move it over. Here we go. There we go, to the little clock dial here, and that's it. So then, I shoot on manual, so you do have to set the focus. If you are shooting on automatic, you would just hit the shutter and jump in the shot. But for me, I shoot on manual, so I am going to focus. I'm focusing on the little lines in my blanket right there, and then I'm going to click the shutter. And then this light is going to flash so you know that it's working. And it is going to take 3 shots after 20 seconds. So maybe I should have set it shorter for this little tutorial, but I promise it works. So if you do it, there it goes. And it's going to take 3 shots. 2 and 3. Perfect. And then you're going to have to come back and kind of maybe recompose or reset the focus. So it is a little bit of trial and error, but it's very simple. So give it a shot. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope this helps you guys. Bye-bye.